Downsizing from a Queens home, moving closer to family, and making life easier. If you lived in your home in Queens for many years, this may sound familiar. Your house feels bigger now than you need, the stairs feel steeper than they used to, the upkeep feels constant, and the expenses feel unpredictable. And at the same time, your life has changed. Your children are grown, your family may now be on Long Island or nearby, and being closer to them without the burden of a large house is starting to feel important. Today, I want to talk about downsizing from a Queens home and how many homeowners are choosing to move into condos or 55-plus communities to simplify life, release equity, and make the next chapter easier. The decision usually doesn't happen overnight. It starts with small thoughts. I don't really need all this space anymore. The stairs are becoming a problem. The house needs more maintenance than I want to deal with. Property taxes and repairs keep increasing. And often it's paired with another realization. I want to be closer to my children and grandchildren. This isn't about giving something up. It's about making life simpler, safer, and more manageable without sacrificing independence. Downsizing doesn't mean rushing. It doesn't mean selling cheaply, and it doesn't mean losing control. Downsizing means reducing physical strain, reducing ongoing expenses, creating predictability, designing a lifestyle that fits who you are now. For many Queens homeowners, it also means that unlocking equity that has been tied up in the home for decades. That equity can make the next purchase easier, reduce or eliminate a mortgage, provide financial peace of mind, cover healthcare or future needs. Moving closer to children and family. One of the biggest reasons I hear for downsizing is family. Parents want to be closer for holidays. They want to be available for their grandchildren, nearby in case support is needed for both ways. Living closer to children doesn't mean giving up independence. In fact, many homeowners find it gives them more freedom because help, connection, and community are nearby. The move is about quality of life, not the age. There are many options. Downsizing to a condo. For many homeowners, a condo is the most comfortable transition. Condos appeal to sellers who want no stairs or elevator buildings, no exterior maintenance, predictable monthly costs, proximity to shopping, doctors, and family. What people like most is lock and leave lifestyle, especially if you're a snowbird. Less responsibility and still owning their home. Things to think through is monthly HOA fees, building rules, special assessments, and long-term affordability. A condo isn't about downsizing your life, it's about downsizing your responsibility. For others, a 55 and plus community makes more sense. These communities are designed for single-level living, minimal maintenance, safety and accessibility, and a built-in social connection. What homeowners appreciate are no stairs, landscaping and snow removal included, amenities and security, and a community of people in a similar stage of life. Important considerations are age restrictions, HOA rules, resale guidelines, and financing differences. This isn't about getting older, it's about living smarter and more comfortably. One of the most overlooked benefits of downsizing is financial relief. Many Queens homeowners have substantial equity. They've been in their house for 20, 30 years, and these home values have appreciated significantly. Downsizing can eliminate a mortgage, lower monthly expenses, create cash reserves, and reduce financial stress. That equity can support travel, healthcare, helping your children, and peace of mind. That goal is not just a smaller home. The goal is a lighter financial and emotional load. What not to do when downsizing? If you're considering downsizing, don't rush the decision. Assume all condos or 55-plus communities are the same. So if you're considering downsizing, don't rush the decision. Don't assume all condos or 55-plus communities are all the same. Don't ignore long-term costs, and don't choose based only on price. The move should feel thoughtful, supported, and intentional, not pressured. So if you're thinking about selling your home in Queens, moving closer to your children, and simplifying life, know this: downsizing can be empowering when it's done correctly. With the right planning, it can improve daily comfort, reduce stress, strengthen family connections, and give you confidence in moving forward. And if conversations like this are helpful, I invite you to subscribe. I share guidance here for Queens and Long Island homeowners navigating downsizing, real estate decisions, and life transitions with clarity and care. Thank you for spending this time with me. I'll see you in my next video.